Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Motorola Razr V3. I think this is the M model. I could be wrong, but we'll double check later. I remember my cousin had one of these phones and she dropped it and the tab on the battery broke, and you had to put something up here to hold the battery down to the connectors. So I wonder how durable these are, you know. The iPhones of 2006 or 7 when they came out. So I was going to start the backdrop at head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Looks like I just took some scuffing right here on the back cover. Not much actually. Pretty decent. Let's go ahead and do the side drop. This Bluetooth S Pen is kind of a pain, because I got rid of my slow motion option. Where'd it go? Jesus, people. Let's go and add slow motion, I guess. That's there. Oh, it went down to the front facing camera. Yeah, I think we're going to just go back to using my finger, because I'm not sure this S Pen's... I think it's using gestures way too much. Let's go ahead and do a corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Land on the back thanks to the wind. Let's go ahead and take a look. Some nicks right there on the edges. I really can't wait to do the face down. I want to see if this glass is going to crack. Let's go and start the slow motion in 3, 2, 1. I am going to start giving them a spin instead of using the game case, because that seems to work really good. Camera lens is cracked. The front display isn't, though. Let's go ahead and do the open face down in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to pause the slow motion. Can't believe I forgot to bring a Razr battery out here with me. There's some nicks around the edges on this bottom chin. Up here at the top a little bit. Let's go ahead and angle up the slow motion and get our throw test. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Looks from back here, it did break in half is what it looks like. That piece that fell off was way too big to be the battery cover. Oh, the poor Razr. She broke in half. Let's go ahead and grab it. Let me go ahead and pause this and see if I can find the other hinge cover. Nope. So here's the Razr. The damages broke in half. So hope you guys enjoyed the video of the drop test of the Motorola Razr. And stay tuned for the next one.